Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Lauren Hodges-Schumann, and I wanted to do a video on emotional intelligence and how it can help support the What Skills in DBT. So first, what are emotions? What are they good for? They help us define our environment, how we are experiencing our environment. And I like to use a feelings wheel, but you don't necessarily have to, but it kind of helps break it down a little bit more. So in the middle, you have your primary emotions. And depending on the feelings wheel you're looking at, they may be labeled different. But mine is sad, happy, surprise, fear, anger, and disgust. So surprise and happy are in the, let's say, comfortable section of emotions. Usually, those are the ones people want to gravitate towards and feel. Over here, sad, disgust, anger, and fear are the more uncomfortable emotions. And the kicker is, a lot of people want to get rid of the uncomfortable emotions, but you can't do that because they are protective emotions. These are the feel-good pleasure emotions. And then these over here, we need them to let us know when something's wrong and we need to watch out for it or change what we're doing. So let's define them. Fear. Fear is everything between anxiousness, terrified, humiliated, worried, shy, all of the above. If you are experiencing this primary emotion, your environment is telling you this could hurt me. It could hurt my feelings, or it could hurt me physically. Anger. Anger is letting me know that I am thinking something is wrong. And it could go from aggravated to enraged, depending on the level you are. But if I am having the feeling of anger, then my environment, I'm interpreting it as wrong. Something is wrong, or someone has wronged me. And we move over to disgust. Disgust is an avoidance emotion. I'm repulsed by it. I'm pulling back from it. Usually when we're feeling disgust, we're not running towards it to see what is disgusting. Some people are, but usually that emotion is saying, get away, avoid. And sadness lets us know that we may need support. We may need to support ourselves, or we may need to find our support people to lean on because we're in need of support. Now, when you are looking at this, it can help you break down why you are feeling certain feelings. You can either use it to, name it to tame it. I am feeling angry. What is wrong in this situation? Or you can say, I'm not quite sure what I'm feeling. So how do I go in reverse? Do I feel like this could hurt me? Do I feel like this is wrong? Do I feel like I need to avoid it? Do I like it? And then you can start using the definitions to help you label the correct emotion you're feeling. In the What Skills, we observe, we describe, and we participate. So what's happening? Describe the feeling, what we just did, and then add in your facts, your logic and reasoning, and then participate. Now, what do I do with this information? The challenge part, accept or challenge, that I talked about in another video, if my feelings are not matching what's going on, if I feel like something's wrong, but I can't pinpoint what's necessarily wrong, then maybe I need to challenge that anger. Maybe I'm mislabeling. maybe I'm actually feeling sadness, or I'm feeling more in the fear zone. Now, it's also entirely possible to feel more than one emotion at the same time. But breaking it down, naming it to tame it, will help you know what to do with it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.